So you guys know Tesla by now. They're the most successful electric car company in the world, and Elon Musk, he always is chefing up something interesting, whether that's SpaceX, new Tesla cars, or any of his other projects like the Boring Company. And just a side note, shout out to you, Elon. If you somehow are watching this video, please send me a free Roadster 2020. Would really appreciate it. But seriously, you're one of my personal heroes. Thank you so much for everything you've done. If you somehow watch this video, make sure you get subscribed, boss. Basically, they're entering into this new category, and it's iPhone accessories. They dropped an iPhone case earlier this year. Now they came out with a charge bank. Never thought I'd be picking one of these up. This retails for 45 bucks. I'll leave a link down below when it comes back in stock. Side note, I had to spend 160 bucks just to get one of these power banks. So you know the dedication is really real. And honestly, like, Tesla products are kind of interesting. I mean, the cars are pretty cool, but like the iPhone case is super cool. This power bank looks great. So let's go ahead and check it out. So really solid box, kind of reminds you of like an Apple accessory. Like 45 bucks for a power bank. You could go on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below to one of my favorites right now. Get like a 20,000 milliamp hour battery pack. We'll charge your iPhone 10 up to 10 times for like 20 bucks. So if you want this, you got it. Wow, this, I see why it was $45. I don't see why it was $45. This just feels really nice. So what this resembles, and if any of you guys are Tesla owners, drop a like on this video. I really want to pick up one of the new Roadster 2020s, but this is supposed to resemble a Supercharger, which it does. It looks good. This gets an A+ in terms of design, and yes, it is 45 bucks. So how this works is it's a power bank. It's not anything too technologically different, but what's cool about it is when you tap the bottom, you can see if your power bank is fully charged up. So a green light means you have 100% battery, and the capacity on this battery bank is 3,350 milliamp hours. So just to put that in perspective, that will charge your iPhone 10 up around 1.5 times, and honestly, that's pretty bomb. So here's why I like this so much, and here's why you might want to pick this up. All the cables are integrated seamlessly into the design. Oh my God, I didn't even know. I didn't even think. What? Elon, what's good, bro? What's good? Okay, so basically in this power bank, you have the two cables you're probably gonna need the most. It'd be sweet if they had a USB-C model. That is the future, like, let's be real here. So in this power bank, you get a microUSB cable that's just integrated into the side, so you can just click that on up. And on the left side, you have your lightning cable, so that's all pretty great. Now, how you actually charge this up is from the bottom cable. Get ready for it? Elon's added everything, dude. Like, it looks like I don't know what I'm doing here. There's USB ports, so you just plug this into like a wall brick, for example. This is how you charge the battery pack up. It looks pretty good. It's nice. What's interesting is, and the reason like I actually picked one of these up is my buddy JerryRigEverything, Zach, actually tore one of these down, and inside is an 18650 battery. And what's cool about those and how this kind of ties in is those are the batteries used in the new Model 3. So you're kind of owning a piece of a Model 3 in a power bank, and that's kind of cool. So I'll leave a link down below to his video if you guys want to check that out. Super interesting. But I guess the only thing left for us to do is see if the power bank I spent $160 on is worth it, and if it charges. What's that? No way! I didn't think it would actually work. Just, it straight up charges. Looks pretty good too. So the reason I see you guys wanting to pick something up like this is it's really slim, has about a charge and a half if you have an iPhone 10. Just throw this in your pocket, super easy, and it just kind of slides in. Doesn't look too weird in your pocket. But Elon Musk getting into the iPhone accessory game. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Definitely let me know what you think in the comments below if you guys actually own a Tesla. Make sure you guys get subscribed and you turn notifications on if you're new, and let me know in the comments if you guys are just joining the Notif Squad. Make sure you follow us on the Insta story. That's where you saw this, and I might be getting a Roadster. It'll be over there. I'll see you guys later. Peace.